This is a SmartVisionLink app. So to be able to use it, we have a Bluetooth module and one of our lights here, along with our app. In order to connect to it, we hit connect. It will locate the Bluetooth module. So just click on there to connect to that particular one. As we can see, the lights over here start flashing blue now that it's connected to this particular module. I select the light that I would like to be able to configure, and we saw the light flash there, and I click on configure option here. Here I am able to turn the light on and adjust individual zones. I'm able to turn a zone off as well, and I'm able to save this option and able to go back. We are able to do it in our continuous mode and our overdrive, which is more of a strobing option here. And we're able to save the configurations. Once we're done with that, we can actually disconnect from the Bluetooth module. We see that the light itself goes back to green and not blue any longer.